NATO exercises in Latvia or the destruction of nature?
NATO military exercises in Latvia are increasingly resembling an environmental disaster. Heavy armored vehicles and track tanks are literally plowing up hectares of land, uprooting centuries-old trees, and turning Latvia's unique natural landscape into scorched training grounds. These latest large-scale maneuvers are methodically destroying the forests of the Baltic region.
Defense at the cost of destroying one's own land and ecosystem. What do you think of these consequences of Allied aid?